When I tell people running a business is not for the weak and it's hard, you see my hair? That's how I feel. How my hair look is how I feel. Now I know when we on social media, we try to be aesthetic pleasing. And I'm sorry, y'all, I can't be aesthetic pleasing. I feel like being aesthetic pleasing mean I'm pleasing the people and not God. And at the end of the day, what I do, what I say, and how I move be the truth. There is no acting over here. There's no let's go. You know what I mean? Like there's nothing like that. There's good days, there's bad days, and there's very, very ugly days. And it's been a lot of ugly days recently. Trying to keep going when you want to throw in a towel when it comes to your business is no joke. And I feel as though people do not talk about these things. People show the packages, people show the good things, but people rarely ever show the bad and the ugly parts. And then this is one of my ugly parts when it comes to being a small business owner. Um, the amount of things we deal with and go through on a daily basis is so unfair. I'm not talking about the business owners that be scamming y'all. I'm not talking about the business owners that don't be doing right, bad customer service, and I'm talking about the ones like myself that have sacrificed, that has kept going, even though there's so many times they could have gave up. The ones that truly love what they're doing, the ones that truly love the passion. I want to know if there's any other business owners that's really, really struggling right now. And I'm not talking about the business owners that kind of just started, even if within the last couple of years. I'm talking about the business owners like me. I've been creating phone cases and accessories for 11 years. And during my 11th month anniversary, that was last month, I couldn't even celebrate it the way I wanted to. Um, I think it's because too, when it comes to social media, being a business owner, we're not professional to post the downs and outs with business. Now, I do believe that is a way of doing it. You shouldn't be, just going in on your customers or, certain things. But I feel like a lot of times we keep it in and we don't tell people, we don't show people what is going on behind the scenes. And what happens is people treat us any type of way because they think life's easy, they think business is cool, they think because you're posting that business is going amazing, you're getting the sales. And when I tell you, y'all girl been hungry for more success, hungry for to be noticed more, hungry for to find my potential customers and clients, this and literally hungry. I made a post on Facebook this morning, and I was going back and forth to talk about it because I don't like talking about things when it comes to business, because it's not that I don't want people to know, but then it's like I don't, but I do. I want people to know about my journey and my story that's going to benefit from it. I want it to come across for someone that is about to give up. Like, that's my goal. My goal is to share the ups and downs and ugly parts in business. And these is one of the ugly parts. This morning, and I mentioned about me receiving a 1 star. I talked about that a few videos back, I think about last week or a week before, about this package. I made these shoes and I spent so much hard money and hard time. And of course, the customer spent her money for me to even create them. It's something about when you're putting your hands and you making something, you're creating something. And I gave my package to a mail carrier, USPS, and my package never got scanned. And now it looks like I just 1 star on my website. And it's one thing getting a 1 star because you didn't do the job you were supposed to, but it's another thing to get a 1 star when it was someone else's fault. So right now I'm trying to trust God in the process of dealing with things that's out of my control, and it's one of the hardest things ever because I don't when it comes to Mars custom cases. I don't play when it comes to my business. I don't play about my customers' money. I don't play. I'm not one of these businesses. I just want to make a business just for them. Like I'm beyond that. I literally am creating things out of my hands, and I love what I do, and there's so much passion. But I'm not seeing the money. I'm not seeing this, was the sacrifices worth it. And when I mentioned about this 1 star and a few of the things on my Facebook posts, I think people just thought like it's just that 1 star, but it's bigger than the 1 star. It's bigger than what has happened even this year. It's about me starting phone cases back in 2013, 14, and starting it off barely knowing what I'm doing, but finding information, selling my stuff, and creating phone cases that cost $15 to $20 back then, and now they're between 60 to 80, and it still feels like people don't want to pay me my worth. When 11 years, I just 11 years, like, do y'all understand what I've been through? I've been harassed. I've had to put a police report out on a customer. I've had people lie to me. I've had my friends do the same thing as me behind my back and never tell me. I did this with no car, y'all. I'm walking. I am spending extra money, unnecessary money, because I have no car, and I want to make sure these packages get to these customers. And I'm doing my part because these people are spending their hard-earned money, and I know how that feels in me. And I don't play about people's time and money. I lost my Instagram with over 10,000 followers, and till this day is 3 years later, and I still feel like this Instagram shit is not coming back. Like, no one doesn't want to engage, no one doesn't like, no one doesn't follow. Everyone's monkey see, monkey do. They don't comment. They just want to pick your brain. Everyone, I just feel like, want to pick my brain and want to get everything for free from me, and I'm barely hanging on because I deserve more and I want more. Making this video, and I don't know who's gonna watch this video. Only thing I can say is I hope that someone watches this video that need it. I try to say so much. I try to drop gems, but people don't pay attention to people that's not trending. People don't pay attention to people that don't have a lot of followers and stuff. And it just sucks. It sucks so bad right now. You see around you that people are just doing things because it's a trend, the money, because everyone else is doing it, but then you have the passion. But it just feel like I didn't even mention about last year, from August to September, I found 2 to 3 people. No, it was 3 people, but the 2 people wouldn't take my creations off their sites and their pages, to the point I was getting harassed and calling out my name because you stole my things. And now I'm just getting a whole bunch of people that just want to send me messages and tell me they want to place an order and want to support, and they don't. And we're just so like, oh, let's support our Black businesses. And it's just like, who really wants to support Black businesses? I mean, supporting Black business without asking for a handout, without asking for free stuff, without, like, I'm getting people asking me if I can create something for free for them so they can put it on their Instagram. I just want to scream. And to like hit the nail on top, there was someone that asked me to be a vendor at their event. And I actually been getting quite a few messages. Like, I woke up to a message of a vendor opportunity, but like, people don't understand. I don't have it. I don't have the money to pay for even a spot. I barely have the money to survive. I barely have money for food. I barely have money to take care of my kids. I barely have money for inventory. I feel like everyone wants stuff what I don't have. I have all these things, but no one wants what I have. They want what I don't have. They want what they see everywhere else. Buy what they see with everyone else. If you see someone with junk socks. And here I go saying, okay, I'll let you know because I just want to make everybody happy. Then on the other hand, I am getting people that want to inquire about ordering, but the way they're talking to me is atrocious. No mom, all while being out of state, all while not having the village I actually need, that my kids actually need. I mean, a village got to be more than just, hey, just how are you? How y'all guys been? Just checking in every fucking couple months. Like, I just never imagined my life like this. And at this moment, like I wrote this morning, is it all worth it? Or am I really wasting my time because I thought it was going to be worth it? All the sacrifices, sleeping on the floor, talk about eating oodles and noodles. So what if you don't eat those noodles? Like, all the things, not having furniture. Thank God, God is good. God is amazing. We finally have a sofa, and that's amazing. But then it just feel like it's so much 10 steps back to have one step forward. Was it worth it? Put so much work and passion and energy into the things to only have people interested in my stuff to be like, can I want to make the same thing? How you get this? How you do that? So then I started creating videos because I was just like, maybe this is what I'm only good for, is to just be the teacher that you guys need. Because at this point, like, no one wants to pay me for nothing. They don't want to pay me for my knowledge. They don't want to pay me for my actual creation and artwork. I'm just like, I don't know. This is just one of these days where I'm just being raw and real, and I really want to throw in the towel, and I really want to give up. Like, do I truly want to give up? Absolutely not. But I have kids and a family, and y'all girl is hungry. And I think about all of, especially the last couple of, I only stayed open for Mars Custom cases because of the junk cases. The junk cases kept me going. People ordered the junk cases. By me opening my Etsy shop, that's why I say don't put all your eggs in one basket. Because right now my Shopify is down. By me opening up that Etsy and me creating junk cases and having that, adding that to my shop, I was able to keep my business open. That's the only reason I kept my business open. Even with the last few customs I've had toward the end of last year, it was all just extra, dealing with other people's time, dealing with custom stuff, and dealing with people forgetting about my orders, just dealing with people not scanning packages, and it all falls down on me while I'm already struggling and I'm already wanting to throw in the towel. And everyone keeps saying keep going, and I just want to be like, I want to throw in the towel so bad because y'all don't see me while I'm this. Like, y'all don't see me at 4 a.m., 5 a.m. crying, waking up crying, going to bed crying, because I never imagined my life to be like this. And the only thing I want is my mom right now. I get my Bible's right here. My brother and my mom and my Bible. Because I just need a hug, a real good hug. A real hug. Not to, Mara, it's a good thing to do. A real hug. And once again, I know it's super corny to cry on social media, but who says it? What rule is it to not cry on social media? Because, you know, all these people be lying about what they do and how they do it and what money they have. So y'all don't know who's real and fake. So I get that. But I can't help it because I really love what I do. And I feel like I don't know what to do. I haven't even went to Dunkin' in 2 weeks. And the people that know me knows I drink Dunkin' Donuts iced coffee every single day. Iced coffee, Dunkin' Donuts was my thing because I couldn't do too much for myself as far as doing anything for myself. Hair done. You know, if you ever realize why I wear a scarf, I lost a lot of hair during postpartum. And my hair's not always done, and I'm always home, and I'm a mom, and I'm I'm a business owner, so why do I need to be putting a face full of makeup? That's stupid. I'm not doing that for people. I'm not doing what I do for the people. I'm doing it for the passion. So, I mean, maybe it's not the aesthetic pleasing, but then we cry about things being fake. Like, they don't realize how much of this I'm about to quit. Like, I'm about to quit And then people are like, no, don't quit. How do I keep going? You want stuff that I can't even make because I have no money to keep up with none of this stuff. You need money to run a business. You need money to keep a business open. You need money for inventory. And if people don't want what I have and want what they see, I don't know what else to do but make this video. Someone else can keep going so they can know they're not alone. Started feeling angry because I felt like everybody wanted my help of what to do because I've done it for so long, and I get it. But not knowing how much I'm struggling because social media doesn't show the struggle. It shows the highlights of your life. You don't see me in the chair like this. You see me in the chair working. You don't see me in the chair eyes bloodshot red because I've just been crying for hours. My man left at 7 and I've been crying since. I never scam nobody. I ain't never take nobody's money with no product. I ain't nobody did no one wrong. Now I might have got smart. I got a smart mouth because people be talking to you any type of way because they feel like that you need them. No, I need God. I need God. But when you know there's so many other businesses out here doing wrong, worshiping the devil, all different types of stuff, scamming people, taking people's money, no product, and you're doing the best as you can with the little bit you have, and it still feel like it's not enough. I just want to be shown a sign to keep going, or maybe not to keep going. Maybe it wasn't supposed to be 11 years. Maybe I'm supposed to be doing something else. I don't know. I don't know. But just a lot of people say keep going. And I'm just like, how do I keep going? Everything's due. Bills are behind. I'm not even gonna lie. It's probably not gonna be too many people that reach this 17-minute video because I can't believe it's 17 minutes. It's nuts. And barely people watch a full 30-minute video. So I know the chances is very slim picking. But I just wanted to show y'all some realness behind the scenes. Trying my best. I'm trying my best to continue. I'm trying my best to keep going. I'm trying my best. I'm just trying my best.